Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the 100 dresses part 1. In our previous session, we came to know that Maddie was thinking about Wanda Petronsky, and particularly she was thinking about, or she remembered Wanda Petronsky telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimming. And she remembered another that was a brilliant jungle green with red sash. And also she thought about who would be the winner of drawing contest. Okay, in the drawing contest, girls had to draw the designs of dresses and boys had to draw the designs of motorboats. And she thought probably Peggy would win the contest because Peggy was good at drawing. Now let's continue the lesson. The next day it was drizzling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they didn't wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street. The street that far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Boggin Heights. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. See here. The next day it was drizzling. See here. Drizzling means a very light rain was falling. A very light rain was falling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. They hurried. They moved quickly towards their school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this means when it was drizzling or the day which was very important, such days, they didn't wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street. They were not waiting such days in the corner of Oliver Street. The street that far away under the railroad tracks, that street was there far away under the railroad tracks, and up the hill led to Boggin's Heights. Anyway, they weren't taking chance on being late today. That day they did not want to being late to school because today was important, because that day was very important, because the teacher was about to announce the winner of drawing contest. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. Then Peggy asked Maddie, do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Mason means here class teacher. Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course, you will win, Peg. Then Maddie replied, the minute we get inside the classroom, the teacher is going to announce. And she said that Peggy would win the drawing contest. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. And Peggy also hoped that she would be the winner of drawing contest. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. There were drawings all over the room, on every ledge and window sill dazzling colors and brilliant lavish designs, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short for a moment. They stopped and gasped. Gasped means a short, sudden intake of breath. They intook breath. There were drawings all over the room. They saw there were drawings all over the room on every ledge and window sill. Okay. The drawings were there on every ledge and window sill. Dazzling colors and brilliant. They were all of dazzling. Dazzling means shining intensely. Okay, those drawings were shining intensely and they were brilliant. They were drawn very brilliantly. Lavish designs, and they were of lavish designs means very grand designs. And all were drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper, and they were all drawn on great sheets of wrapping papers. There must have been 100 of them all lined up, and there must have been hundreds of designs, dress designs, and they are all lined up. These must be the drawings for the contest. They thought these must be the drawings for the contest. Okay. All the students' drawings are kept like this in line. They thought. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. Okay. Everybody stopped, whistled. Some of them have whistled and murmured. They were talking in a low voice. Admiringly. Okay. They were talking in admiring. They were appreciating those drawings because they were very good looking drawings. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winners. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12 along with the sketches by all the other boys. Yes, as soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the names of winners. Jack Bagels had won the boys. She said that his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12. His drawings of a motorboat design is there in room number 12, along with the sketches by all the other boys, along with his drawing. Other drawings which were drawn by other students were there in that room number 12. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.